Hi, there's been a lot of talk recently about these new magnetic couplings, which appear to be an excellent idea. I'd love to convert all my rolling stock to use them, but I do have quite a lot and it would be quite a big exercise. So here's a little trick which you might find helpful when trying to uncouple your loco from the rolling stock. Here we have a typical situation where the two are hooked together. And what I've got here, if we can find it, there it is an eclipse magnet. This is what you might call an old-fashioned magnet. It's not one of those modern ones that really do grip. It's a fairly gentle sort of magnet. And all you do is go back up to the loco, make sure that the two are pushed together so that the hooks aren't engaged. And this is done very much more easily with two hands, but let's try it with just one and me holding the camera. You just gently push the magnet towards the loco and the truck, and then just gently pull, and you'll see both of the hooks are up in the air. Take the magnet away and they hook again. Push them together, lower the magnet, that other one, there we are, and they uncouple. I can show you a bit better on this two trucks over here, which I've got fixed together. And again, you can just see as I lower the magnet down, both of the hooks come up. Can you see that? There they are. And then just pull them apart. Push them together, pull them apart. You can see it on the end here. Oops, that's what happens if you go too close. So with two hands, you just make sure that the magnet doesn't actually touch the hook. You just bring it in like that. Okay, well, hope you find this tip useful. See you again soon.